Hi, I've had some technical difficulties, so this video will be some explanation, but not too much writing, so please forgive me. The focus of what we're talking about is the angles within a parallelogram, and this first statement says that the opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. So please remember that that means the opposite angles are equal. So if you look over here in purple, I have written that the equation that we are going to be creating is a part equals part, and it is our opposites that we use to build our equation. So angle A is equal to the measure of angle C. The measure of angle B is equal to the measure of angle D. This next page is an example of the relationship that I was just describing. The work is shown in green, but if you take a look at the original picture, the angles that we are given are opposite angles within a parallelogram. So the equation is a part equals part equation. Please remember as you're solving the understood one. And when you finish your solving steps, you get that x is 10. Please remember that this can be plugged in, so I actually can tell that angle F is 5 times 10, it's 50 degrees. Angle H is 10 plus 40, so the measure of angle H is also 50 degrees. So that's a good way to verify your calculation because you do have both of these angles equal to 50 degrees when you substitute. Again, the angles need to be opposite to build a part equals part equation for a parallelogram. This page shows a second relationship, and if you take a look at my diagram, there are a bunch of C shapes wrapped around my parallelogram. This goes back to the idea that we talked about for parallel lines, and we are going to be building a part plus part equals 180 equation. Remember, the vocabulary word supplementary means that the whole is 180 degrees. And notice that you can wrap your C around the parallelogram 4 ways. This yellow highlight is showing that angle I and angle L are supplementary. Over here in green, angle J and angle K, if you add their measures, it's 180 degrees. Up along the top, we have a set angle I plus angle J is 180 degrees. And down here, angle L and angle K are supplementary. So we're able to do a part plus part equals 180. Here is an example where we are working with one set of adjacent angles. There's the C shape. We're able to build an equation of part plus part equals whole. The 180 is the whole. My algebra steps. This first step, I combine like terms, and please be careful because it's different signs here. So I thought of this as -6 plus 24. Subtract, it got 18. It is positive because the 24 is greater. The rest of my solving steps hopefully are straightforward. Got all the numbers on the right. X was already on the left. Finished off with a division step. Take care.